What if I told you 80% of your skin problems could be solved by fixing just one thing? The secret isn't expensive treatments, it's your skin barrier. Today you'll learn how to repair it naturally with ingredients you may already have at home. If you're battling dry, sensitive, or irritated skin that won't improve, this guide is for you. By the end, you'll have a complete routine, DIY recipes, and realistic timelines. This is a practical, science-backed approach. No filler, no hype. If this helps, tap like and subscribe, and drop a question below so I can answer in future videos. Let's start at the foundation, what the skin barrier actually is and why it matters. Think of this as a restoration plan, gentle, consistent, and natural. No music, just clear steps. On to the basics. Picture your skin barrier as a brick wall. The bricks are skin cells called corneocytes. The mortar, the lipids holding bricks together, is made of ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids in roughly equal ratios. This barrier has two jobs: keep moisture in and keep irritants out. When the lipid lamellae break down, transepidermal water loss increases and protection drops. A healthy barrier contains about 30 to 40% ceramides, and those decline with age, which is why skin gets drier over time. When it's intact, skin looks plump, smooth, and radiant. When damaged, you get tightness, flakiness, sensitivity, and even breakouts. So the barrier is the foundation. Repair that first, and everything else works better. Next, let's check if your barrier is compromised. A short skin check you can do right now. Quick skin check. Persistent dryness and flakiness that heavy moisturizers can't fix. Stinging or burning from gentle products you've used before. Sensitivity to hot or cold. Unexplained redness and inflammation. Unexpected breakouts, even if your skin was usually clear. Slower healing and uncomfortable tightness after cleansing. Main culprits include UV damage and pollution that cause oxidative stress and inflammation. Dehydration and poor diet, low omega-3 SS, slow repair. Chronic stress raises cortisol and impairs healing. When we look at the science, a fascinating picture emerges. Peer-reviewed research shows certain natural ingredients don't just patch up the skin barrier, they actively teach it to repair itself, often outperforming synthetics. They work in harmony with your skin's biology to stimulate ceramide production, the crucial lipids holding your skin cells together, and improve cell differentiation. This means helping new skin cells mature properly, forming a stronger, more resilient barrier from the ground up. But not all natural oils are created equal. The key is their fatty acid profile. Oils higher in linoleic acid, like sunflower, are superstars for repair because linoleic acid is a direct building block for ceramides. Conversely, oils high in oleic acid, like olive oil, can disrupt the barrier in some people, especially if it's already compromised. It's about choosing the right tool for your specific skin. Let's look at the mechanisms. Aloe vera is a hydration powerhouse, supplying its own moisture while encouraging your skin to produce more of its own hyaluronic acid. Jojoba oil's magic lies in its structure, which is incredibly similar to our skin's sebum. This allows it to support barrier function and heal without clogging pores. Deeper still, natural compounds can boost aquaporin 3 channels, the water pipes of your cells, and regulate healing pathways like TRPV3, ensuring your skin has everything it needs to rebuild. So how do we put this into practice? We can group these ingredients into tiers. Tier 1 contains your foundational heavy hitters for daily repair: aloe vera, jojoba oil, and raw shea butter. For best results, apply aloe and jojoba to damp skin to lock in hydration, and gently press in shea butter rather than rubbing. Tier 2 includes powerful supporting players. Colloidal oats and honey are fantastic for soothing irritation, while specialized oils address specific needs. Squalane is a lightweight protector, rosehip offers gentle resurfacing, and sea buckthorn is a potent healer. Use Tier 1 daily and incorporate Tier 2 ingredients as needed to customize your routine. Next, a step-by-step routine you can start today. Morning, our goal is to protect and maintain. Step 1 is a gentle oil cleanse using equal parts jojoba and sunflower oil. This cleanses without stripping essential lipids. Jojoba is gentle because it mimics your skin's sebum, and sunflower oil provides barrier-supporting fatty acids. Gently massage the oil onto dry skin for 30 seconds, then remove with a warm, damp cloth. This preserves your natural oils, leaving skin feeling soft and hydrated, not tight. Step 2, a hydrating toner. On still damp skin, apply rose water with a drop of glycerin. This restores your skin's healthy pH balance and preps it for better absorption of the products that follow. Step 3, our barrier repair serum. Mix 2 TBSP aloe gel, 1 tsp glycerin, 3 drops jojoba, and 1 drop of lavender. Apply this soothing, hydrating layer to damp skin. Aloe calms while glycerin draws in moisture. Step 4. Moisturizer on damp skin to lock in that hydration. Warm a small amount of shea butter in your palms and mix in a few drops of squalane. This combination is deeply nourishing without feeling heavy. Step 5 is the non-negotiable final step, sun protection. UV radiation is a major barrier aggressor. We recommend a mineral zinc oxide sunscreen, which creates a physical shield on the skin and is often gentler for sensitive types. Apply it every single morning. Evening. Now we focus on repair and restoration. Step 1 is a double cleanse. First, use your oil cleanse to dissolve sunscreen and makeup. Then follow with a gentle pH-balanced cream cleanser, leaving your skin perfectly prepped for repair. Step 2. Apply the barrier serum onto slightly damp skin. This gives your skin a dose of soothing aloe and hydrating glycerin to support its natural repair processes overnight. Step 3. For damaged barriers, use a nourishing oil blend. Mix 50% jojoba, 30% regenerative rosehip, and 20% antioxidant-rich sea buckthorn. This provides the essential fatty acids needed to rebuild and strengthen your barrier. Step 4. Finish with a thin occlusive to prevent overnight water loss. A small amount of raw shea or pure lanolin, if tolerated, creates a protective seal that locks in moisture and accelerates repair while you sleep. For a weekly treatment, this honey oat healing mask is incredibly calming. Mix 1 TBSP raw honey, 1 TBSP finely ground oats, and 1 TSP aloe. Apply for 10-15 minutes twice a week. Honey is antibacterial, while oats and aloe soothe irritation. Also, try a deep oil treatment once weekly. Warm your favorite oil, massage it into your skin for 5 minutes, then steam with a warm towel. This helps the oils penetrate deeply for intense nourishment and softening. Don't forget your body's skin barrier. Our go-to body repair oil is 1/2 cup sunflower oil, 1/4 cup jojoba, 2 tablespoons rosehip oil, and 10 drops of lavender. Apply this nourishing blend on damp skin right after a shower to seal in moisture. Consistency is what will truly transform your skin. Be patient and gentle with yourself through the process. If you're finding this useful, like and subscribe. And let us know in the comments which DIY you want a full demo of next. Let's start with a rich DIY barrier cream. Combine 1/4 cup of softened shea butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E. These are packed with fatty acids and antioxidants. Add 5 drops of lavender for a calming scent, then whip until fluffy and store in a sterilized jar. For a lighter touch, create this intensive hydrating serum. Mix 3 tablespoons of aloe gel, 1 tablespoon of rose water, 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and a 1/2 teaspoon of jojoba oil. Add 2 drops of geranium oil. Since it's preservative-free, you must refrigerate it and use it within 2 weeks. For an emergency SOS, mix equal parts raw honey and aloe vera gel. Honey is a natural humectant and antibacterial. Add 3 drops of jojoba oil for gentle moisture. Apply this soothing mask for 20 minutes daily until your skin feels calm. Now let's bust some myths. Myth 1. More exfoliation means better skin. This is false. Overexfoliating strips your protective lipids and causes microtears, leading to inflammation and a compromised barrier. Gentleness is key. Myth 2. Natural always means gentle. Not true. Potent botanicals like undiluted essential oils and acidic lemon juice can easily irritate sensitive skin. Always patch test new ingredients before applying them to your face. Myth 3. Acidic skin is unhealthy. In fact, your skin's health depends on its acid mantle, a protective layer with a pH around 4.7. This acidity fends off harmful bacteria. Alkaline products can disrupt this vital barrier. Myth 4. Weather doesn't affect the barrier. It absolutely does. Cold wind, dry heat, and sun exposure all take a toll. Adjust your routine seasonally, using richer creams in winter and lighter layers in summer. Myth 5. Barrier damage is permanent. Thankfully, this is false. Your skin is resilient. With a consistent, gentle routine focused on hydration, it can repair itself in a matter of weeks to months. Be patient. Feeling greasy after applying oils? You're likely using too much. Use only 2-3 drops for your face and always press them onto damp skin. This helps the oil absorb properly and seal in hydration, instead of just sitting on top. Breaking out from natural ingredients? Always patch test a new formula on your inner wrist first. If you react, simplify. Introduce new products one at a time to identify triggers, starting with gentle options like aloe and jojoba. Not seeing results? Barrier repair is a marathon. Simplify your routine, be consistent, and allow at least 4-8 weeks for your skin to complete a healing cycle. If irritation persists with a new product, stop and reassess your approach. Support repair from the inside. Hydrate, eat omega-3 rich foods, vitamin C and E, and avoid excess sugar. Use a humidifier in dry climates, avoid long hot showers, and wear gloves when using harsh chemicals. Timeline: Week 1, 2, you should notice less stinging and tightness. Week 3, 4, active repair, less dryness. Week 5, 8, texture and radiance improve. Month 3 plus is maintenance. Some people get temporary breakouts around weeks 2-3 as oil production normalizes. This often resolves itself. Start simple. Gentle cleanse, hydrate on damp skin, layer repair serums, oils, and an occlusive at night, plus daily SPF. If this helped, like and subscribe, tell me which DIY you want next, and any questions below. Disclaimer: this is educational only. Consult a dermatologist for persistent concerns and always patch test new ingredients. Thanks for watching. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Join our community for more easy, science-backed routines and DIY recipes. Share your favorite tip in the comments, and stay tuned for more glowing skin secrets.